Hi, I'm Gabbi Lewis. My rare disease affiliation is with classical homocystinuria, so within the homocystinuria family. It's a rare genetic inborn error in metabolism. The leadership role that I selected for my capstone was the Federal and State Newborn Screening Advisory Committee. I selected this because my brother, who also has classical homocystinuria, was diagnosed via newborn screening, and that led to me being diagnosed as well. So it was very pivotal in my story, and I think that it's a very important topic that should be more widespread. So I was very interested in learning more and learning about how this committee is involved in the process. To be honest, a couple months ago, before this all started, I didn't know Yard Leadership Academy even existed. My supervisor at HCU Network America sent the application my way, and I was so grateful for that. And I applied because I love being in spaces that very strong, like-minded individuals talk about the changes that need to be made and to better the lives of rare disease individuals. And I do a lot for the kids that have rare diseases because I believe they should have a better future than what some of us have had to deal with. So I definitely wanted to play my role and my part in creating that better future for them. I would say my biggest takeaway was just learning about how widespread the opportunities are within rare diseases and rare disease advocacy. I think my knowledge of that space was very limited, and now I feel like I really understand the breadth of it and where I could kind of fit into the piece in the puzzle, I guess. I think I'm really excited to apply it to my position at HC Network America. As the marketing coordinator, I communicate a lot with patients and I promote various advocacy efforts and education on newborn screening and rare diseases in general. So I'm really excited to kind of take everything that I've learned and apply it into that, and then also apply it into personal aspects of my life in my advocacy journey. I think people should apply to the Yard Leadership Academy first and foremost for the connections. I feel like I met amazing speakers that shared their story and shared their experience in rare disease in the rare disease space. But I also met amazing patients and family and friends of patients that just hearing their story, the more that we can get together and share and learn about each other's conditions, that in itself is advocacy. So I think that was very important. And if anything, you will get that out of it. But truly, I think it was just like the connection aspect of it that was, I would say, is a big selling point for someone who's thinking about joining. So I would say what's next for me is definitely continuing my work with HC Network America, but I would love to expand to other rare diseases because, I mean, we all have so much in common that I think efforts could be spread a little bit more to assist those who don't have much support. So I think that would be an amazing journey for me. But obviously, still focusing on my work with HC Network America and working with kids and kind of just making sure in general that individuals with rare diseases have a brighter future to come and that we're making the world a better place for those people.